Look at that color. Can we take a minute to appreciate the color? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today we are talking about a wig from the Melted Hairline collection. This is Amelia. I have the color DR2 Honey Brown Ombre. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all see how I'm dancing? She is everything. She is everything and more, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to put this wig on real quick because she was easy. She was real quick. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Okay, so I'm done with this wig. I already prepped it, as you guys saw. I like prepping my wigs on the mannequin instead of on my head. For me, it works a little bit easier that way. This texture feels good, and I really like this wig. So off camera, I already cut the lace, and I already tinted it underneath. So let's go ahead and put her on. She's cute. Shout out to Body by Kira, because I bought this wig because of her. She slayed that wig. So if you want, you could wear this wig glueless. This is from the Melted Hairline collection. With that band, you can absolutely wear this wig glueless if you wanted to. Ooh! I was not expecting that. Do I have a wig cap on? This wig is so pretty. Look at that color. Can we take a minute to appreciate the color? This brush right here, I know this is not like a real review and this is not like real textured hair, but I already tested this brush on my hair. I tested it on all kind of stuff. I'm gonna do a review on this brush. Get this brush out. This brush is the truth. I know this is not a review on this brush, but outside of this hair, I know it's straight. I tried it on my kinky textured hair, and this little flimsy brush is the truth. Man, wowzers. Oh my goodness. I'm really feeling myself, y'all. I don't even really have to glue this wig down if I didn't want to. It has a really good glueless fit, but y'all know me, I like to kind of just melt it just a tad. I'm gonna match the lace some more. Let's play some music and I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all.
If you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got. So I changed it, bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away.
All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this baby up because there's nothing more left to say. Do you see me? This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture on this. It is a yucky texture. It is not too silky. I recently reviewed an Outre swirlista wig that was straight, and that texture was not my favorite, but this texture feels good. So thank you, Outre. This is the Melted Hairline texture that I like. Anyway, I'm loving the color blend on this. If anybody ever questions why you wear synthetic wigs, hello, This is why. I mean, look at this color blend. I didn't have to go to the salon and I look like I just got my hair done. So I don't care what nobody say. I am wearing my synthetic wigs. I love the length on this. It is 22 inches. It's a perfect everyday length. I love the density on this. It is really nice. Initially, y'all, I did not know how I would feel about this bang because I don't like bangs and stuff in my eyes, but this is so pretty. Like, it's a whole vibe. Like, I really like it. It's really light. It's just right here. I did go in and customize it just a tad, as you guys saw. I did pluck in the front here. I felt like it was a little too thick for my liking, but it looks really good. This wig looks really good. I did secure and melt this wig all the way down because I like that effect. You don't have to melt your wig. This wig, you can absolutely wear her glueless, as I showed you guys, but this wig is everything. She is so pretty. I think if you match this wig up like with your complexion, like especially with this Ruby Kisses cream foundation, you don't have to wear it glueless, but I like a more melted effect on my wigs, and she is looking absolutely melted. She is looking amazing. So I really do like that. I went in with a little bit of concealer in the parting space. The parting space was a little bit too tight, but this is an under $40 wig. So, I mean, you might have to customize it just a little bit. Stop complaining. It's the synthetic wig. But overall, I do like this wig. I went in with minimal synthetic wig products. I am running my fingers through this. I recommend this brush. I'm going to leave it linked below in my Amazon storefront under Wig Essentials. This brush is a really good detangling brush, y'all. It's the Uni brush, and I've been using it on my natural hair, and it's really flimsy. I'm gonna let you know right now it is, but I love the way this brush detangles all the knots. Outre did a good job with this one. Shout out to all the girls that convinced me to get this wig. Y'all let me know what y'all think about her. I don't have anything else to say except get this wig. Get this wig. She's a winner. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.